Here's a 2020 Kia Soul. This unique vehicle makes a stylish statement while also being playful and very functional. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, air conditioning, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book praises its modern and expressive exterior, matched by a well-appointed interior offering features not found on sub-midsize and near-luxury models. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.